So, Ganpati Bappa Moria. So, we'll start today fifth lesson. Okay? And we require blessings, and they are always with us. So, now enough of playing the same thing. We have to practice and we have to start the new online class. Okay, so all students are here and friends. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so have you practiced? Okay, enjoyed, no? Have you practiced the previous lessons? 4, because this is the fifth one. I told you. See, again, you have to wash your hands often for COVID 19. Okay? See, all are doing the same thing. Good. So, today we will start with the pen drive. Means the whole lesson is only for the pen drive. Okay? So, this is the storage thing like floppy and CD. But in this pen drive, you can save more pictures. And see, it's written H2 test W. Means when you buy any pen drive, you have to test with that file whether it is correct or not. That's why. So if you save 5 pictures in floppy, 50 in CD, so you can save 500 in pen drive. So that's the difference. Okay, it is also called as USB, means universal serial bus. See, bus is like what? Passengers, we can travel from here to there. Like this way we can save pictures from one computer to another. So that's why it is USB. See now how it's doing, from laptop to pen drive, the information or your pictures are saving. So in pen drive also you can have different memories. Memories means you can save the pictures in some pen drives 5000, some another 1000, some other pen drives 2000, like that. Okay, who is there? Everyone knows, right? What happened? Peppa Pig? What happened? Something is there. Okay, so that computer is not working. So at that time, this is called bootable, that we will explain again afterwards. So in pen drive, with the pen drive you can start the computer with the bootable file. So that's why it is very important. Okay, and you can again watch the picture. What happened? Why you are crying so much? I want something. What do you want? Not telling. Okay, so he wants to listen the music. See, Peppa Pig is listening music with George, no? You all know, no, that? He listening the music with his friends and cousin sister, with that. But the same music you can listen through CD also. You have to install the songs in CD to the CPU. But sometimes what happens in CD, while installing, there is RAM, is the computer memory. What's the full form? Random access memory. So in some CDs you can't install the RAM because RAM is less. So a pen drive has got the advantage is what? You can use pen drive memory or space for the extra RAM. You got it? So how useful it is, see. if you have got less RAM in a computer and can't install the CD of songs, so you can use pen drive for more RAM external, right? So that much it is useful. What is the full form? Random access memory. That is called RAM. So pen drive you can save the files, you can bootable and install. So you have learned a lot and enjoying. So pen drive is very useful to save the file, to start the computer with the bootable pen drive, and to install the CD. You can have more RAM. Okay, bell is ringing. Now I am going home. Enough of study. Okay, running fast. Bye bye. You like the video, so you have to click on like, or you please click on like. I have to say, and subscribe. Tell your again mom, dad, brother, sister, friends to subscribe the and ring on the bell or click on bell. Okay, see how it is doing. So now see you on the next class. Shift control